Like, it's just like people should be fucking pissed off and outraged that this happened. Like a single mother with 2 daughters, both those are dead. 1 young child left, no fucking mother, who witnessed the brutal murder. Like, it's fucking done.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
It comes from a place of wanting to fucking save someone's life, making a fucking difference. But that's the gap. Lots will report it, lots will fucking videotape it, lots more will fucking ignore it and pretend it didn't happen and blame everybody else and cry and drop flowers and light candles. And it's all good, but we need more fucking people to fucking weaponize, and we need more men to weaponize. Women too, women should know how to do it 100%, but we train men. And so my call to action is on men. If you're listening to this and you have never done any training, you're not as tough as you fucking think you are. And if you are that tough, then get some training and sharpen the edge even fucking more so that you can save more lives. You can do it with less effort. And if you're terrified and you're scared, too fucking bad. Suck it up and fucking do something. Take a fucking course. Do it with us, do it with someone else. I don't give a fuck. But stop making fucking excuses and stop waiting for the perfect time. I'm too busy. Fucking shut up. Stop whining. Recognize what's happening and do something.